professional, affordable, fast. Let us help you make your academic dreams a reality. Admissions and scholarship essay editing. At WordVice, we strive to help make your academic dreams come true. Our expert editors provide quick, high-quality English proofreading and editing services when you need it. With around-the-clock support and fast turnaround, WordVice is an affordable one-stop shop for your admissions needs. We not only carefully review your drafts for grammar, spelling and punctuation, but we also provide substantive comments about organization, development and topical issues. At WordVice, we believe each essay is your life's story, so we aim to clarify your writing, highlight your strengths and help you prove to your prospective schools that you are a valuable asset. We can also assist your professors with revising their recommendation letters. All of our editors are native English speakers with many years' experience advising prospective students like you. When you choose to work with us, our customer service team will hand-select the right editor for your needs, and when the revisions are done, our quality assurance team will conduct a final review before final delivery to you. Our admissions and scholarship editing services include undergraduate, graduate, and professional school admissions essays, scholarship applications, recommendation letters. Our admissions and scholarship editing services include full proofreading, grammar, spelling, punctuation, and mechanics, correct terminology and language use, concise writing, word count reduction, coherent logic and flow, clarity and word choice, style and natural English expressions, substantive comments on topic development, attention to specific instructions provided by authors. We guarantee 100% accuracy in grammar, spelling, punctuation, and mechanics, superior quality essays that are application ready, qualified admissions experts with extensive essay editing experience, delivery in as little as 3 hours, 24/7 support. WordVice facts. Since 2015, our admissions experts have proofread and edited more than 23,000 school admissions and application essays for over 11,000 clients. Our experienced editors will ensure that your application essays are flawless and stand out from other candidates. We have revised essays submitted to graduate and PhD programs, MBA programs, medical schools, and many other professional and academic programs. Many of our clients have been accepted to some of the best universities in the world, including MIT, Cambridge, Stanford, and the University of California, Berkeley.
Need to write an admission essay or any other written educational work? Place your order on the Edita Paper service. EditaPaper.com is a professional online service where in a few minutes you will find a professional author for writing any educational work, from an easy essay to writing a doctoral dissertation. We are completely confidential and give you a guarantee that if the work done does not suit you, we will refund your money. Register at EditaPaper.com for free now and get a discount.